Hey friends, welcome to my house. So this is going to be my Christmas home tour for 2018. Just kind of giving you guys an insight. We did very traditional and I didn't go all crazy with spending any money this year. These are all things that I've had or you've seen me made. So this little ornament holder is from the dollar spot at Target that last year, and that runner is actually one of the scarves from the Dollar Tree. This believe sign I did pick up from Marshall's last year. The same with this little farm holder house thing. I picked it up at Walmart last year as well. As you could see, last year I went crazy. This year, not so much. This is my photo wall, my photo gallery wall. And it just has pictures of all the people in our family, mostly immediate, my girls, my grandparents who are no longer with us, Leo's mom and dad when he was a child, and me and my mom and dad when they were younger. And yeah, it's just our little family. Giving you another sight of our living space. My home was pretty small, guys, so we just make the best with what we got. These are the floating shelves that are above my TV. So this white tree came from the Dollar Tree last year. The same with that little bucket it is in. That little snowman came from Marshall's last year. And this little sleigh with the bow, I actually put the bow on there, and the sleigh is from the thrift store last year. Always check the thrift store. So these little vases, I keep them up all year long and I just add different types of picks to them. These are from the Dollar Tree. I did a lot of, outdoorsy rustic looks. So I have a lot of pine cones and greenery. It's just what I like. These little snow globe-y things are from Target last year. The same with that Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas sign. So I just thought everything tied in really nicely, and it wasn't too much, but it just added a really homey, Christmassy feel. Here is the garland that you guys see me make. It is still holding up nice and strong, and there is our Christmas tree. We will go more into depth. Okay, there's Benny. Benny hates Santa, and Santa actually ended up losing the next day. Benny took him out. So here is our Peanuts, checkered blanket. My husband loves the Peanuts, so you're going to be seeing them around. This Believe runner is from Target last year. This wooden box actually was made for me by my husband, and I just stained it. And I try to keep it out all year long. These are little evergreen trees with the pine cones on them. I actually got those, I believe, at Michael's last year, and they are just 3 different sizes. I actually did line the bottom of that with some burlap, and those little candles are from the Dollar Tree, and I got the pine cones from Michael's last year and just put them in a Ziploc bag and kept them. So I thought it just tied everything in. And here's my couch. I have just different pillows. The little snowball pillows are from Ross last year. These ones with the little decorations on them are from Walmart last year, and you guys see me make that scarf pillow. My dog loves that pillow. That's why it's kind of flat. I'm just going ahead and diffusing the Christmas blend set that I got from the Simply Earth Essential Oils. Love it. Love that brand. So yeah, we're going into my dining area. And here are the candle holders that I picked up from the thrift store that you guys see me haul in my Dollar Tree haul. And I took everybody's advice and I did not paint them. And I'm very happy I didn't. I just added a bow. Here is that centerpiece you guys see me make. And also those placemats you did see me haul from Dollar Tree. So on my wall, I have these metal canisters. I keep them up all year long and just fill them with different things. So I went ahead and added just some, I think it's fir. Is that the kind of pine it is? And these frosted cranberries or frosted berries and a little bow that matches the one on the table. And I have them on both sides of this mirror. And I think it came out really pretty. It adds to everything. It's just not too much. And we have our Charlie Brown Christmas tree because it's my husband's favorite. And what baby wants, baby gets. And here in my curio cabinet, this is for all my Game of Thrones watchers and lovers. This is the White Walker bottle from Johnny Walker. So if you throw it in the freezer, he turns into a White Walker. It's really, really cool. And inside here, I just have this really pretty teapot with these like wine glasses with the shamrocks on them. Those were actually my grandmother's, who's no longer with us, so I like to keep those up. And this, like, I think it's like a whiskey set, and our wine glasses from our wedding. On to the Christmas tree. Just kind of showing you guys a little bit of my favorite ornaments. I know my tree is not like everybody else's you are going to see on social media, but my girls and I decorated it all day one day, and we had a really good time, and we made some really great memories. And you know, when they get a little bit older, maybe it'll be different, but for right now, I like it. These little ornaments move and they sing songs, or they like play songs. At the end, you'll have a little clip of that. And these are just some of my favorite ornaments from when my girls were little. Every year we get them one. And for all my Cubs fans, you know, when the Cubs won the World Series, you got to represent. And our big JoJo bow. The girls, this is for an outside decoration, but my girls love JoJo and they wanted the big bow on the tree. So they won. And there is our little Christmas shop train, and it goes around. We got that at Walmart last year, and I just added some different kinds of ribbon and lots of lights and all of our ornaments that mean so much to us. So that's our Christmas tree this year. Unfortunately, here in the city, it gets super dark, super early, and it was only like maybe 4:30, and it was this dark. So we are in my kitchen now. If you guys don't remember, I did paint it and kind of brighten up the space. Here is my DIY coffee bar that me and Leo made a couple years ago. And on here we have a little cookie. I think this is like a cheese dish, but I use it as a cookie thing. And don't they look delicious? I got those from the Dollar Tree. No. And here is my hot cocoa bar. Everything here I got from the Dollar Tree with the exception of the Rae Dunn canisters. So I have a little coffee mug with some candy canes in it, salt and pepper shakers, one with cinnamon and one with a variety of sprinkles. And then I have some marshmallows. And in the other canister, the clear one, is the guilt-free, like keto-friendly hot chocolate. Then I have packets of hot chocolate and the coffee because we need the coffee. But yeah, that's kind of how it all turned out. It's friendly for everyone. And I like those little jars because they do have a tight seal on them. So giving you another view, and I just have this gorgeous clock. So in that little spot where there's that tree in the middle, it actually, once it gets to the 1st of December, it will count down how many days left. We got this at the thrift store for $8. Can you believe it? I have a link for these votives. I have these all over my house. They are gorgeous. They are frosted glass and they are beautiful. I'll link them down below so you guys can check them out. Highly recommend them. And those little pine trees came from Target last year. I keep this wreath up on my door all year long. It's just a burlap wreath. And then I just added that red truck that I got from Walmart last year. Those fresh balsam candles are from Aldi, $3.99. Skip Bath & Body Works, get you one. That Christmas sign was a gift for me from my very best friend, and we keep it up for pretty much the whole winter. And here is another adding of that red truck Christmas. I got that at Big Lots last year. That Merry Christmas sign is from Aldi, or I'm sorry, Target. And you guys see me make my 3-tier tray. This gingerbread cookie towel is from the Dollar Tree. I just added it over another one. And this is a real life house, guys, and we have stuff all over our fridge, and Rebecca made this cute little Santa as a decoration, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. On top of my fridge are these little white trees and this little basket that we keep like little treats in for the kids. So yeah, it's giving you a kind of an overview. I wanted to show you guys these LED strip lights because you guys are going to be able to win a pair for yourself. These are awesome. They change colors. There's so many different colors you can change them to. They're really, really bright, super easy to install, and yeah, they really just brightened up my whole kitchen. You don't have to put them just in your kitchen. You can put them anywhere. I've seen people on the internet where they put it on in their bedrooms or in their garages or behind their TV or in their kids' room. I just opted for my kitchen because my space is so dark and small, and I really wanted to add a lot of light to it. So you're able to control all of these with that remote control. You're able to brighten them, to dim them, obviously change colors, but I wanted to show you how everything looks, even with the lights off. They're really bright. So if you guys are interested in winning a pair, go ahead and enter down below. Tell me what your favorite Christmas ornament on your tree is and why. So you'll have a week, so it'll be open till December 7th. So here you guys go. I hope you liked my Christmas tour, and you guys have a very awesome holiday season. All right, guys, I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.
It's Christmas